Part 2 of this video, I'm going to show you what I meant by one of the problems with the kit. One of the problems with the kit is installing, well, these incredibly small bits right here onto this. Luckily they gave me one extra, so although it is a ready to limp kit, so it doesn't come with a lot of things, luckily they did give you an extra one of these because one of them obviously got bent while I was trying to install it. It's my fault. I don't have the proper tool for the job, so I use this, and it worked just fine for all the other ones, but one of those pieces was a little bit, the metal was a little bit soft, and so on one of them it broke, but on the other ones it was fine. And so you put one on the top here and one below this round bit.
Likey